Every month ladies go through a phase which is called as menstruation, and these are those 4 5 days. That is one thing, but premenstrual tension is something which is quite seen nowadays, where ladies are into mood swings, they feel stiffness in their body, they don't sleep well, they like to eat something junk and all such stuffs. Now here understand one thing very clearly, that first of all, ladies are not there to suffer in life. Do you think that nature will give us such a body that every month you have to suffer? Not at all. We in our body, whatever is happening naturally, and any natural products can never give you suffering. Why suffering is coming? Very big reason. And the big reason is hormones are getting disturbed in our body. Now when hormones get disturbed in our body, fluctuation of mood is very common. Now every woman has to understand that here the period time and the premenstrual time is the time when woman has to be aware about his emotions, her emotions, to see that when emotions fluctuate, they have to maintain their steadiness. They should not put themselves down and say that why I get angry, or why I get worried, or why I feel like crying. You will get angry, you will worry, you will feel like crying, but you will not do it. Don't do it, because that is imbalance. So try to bring balance by doing some contrary activities. Now the activities we always recommend during this period is that whenever you go for your bath, you just see that you spend 10 minutes more in your bathroom. Fill water in a tub, that little sort of a broad tub, plastic tub, and in that you sit, warm water, and sit in that, legs outside the tub. Sitting in this position, your bottom is in water. Now sitting in this position, contract your anal muscles and relax. Contract, relax, contract, relax. This is a technique which is called as Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra, where horses, when they pass their motion, after that they contract and relax their anal sphincter muscles. Now that every human should also do. But in the water, the ladies should be doing that contraction and relaxation for say 4 minutes, and then finish this exercise is over. Now for 6 minutes person should be sitting and singing. I always say, come on, sing 2 songs, 3 minutes one song, and sing 2 songs just sitting in a relaxed position in water. So here you have spent 10 minutes on your body, throw that water out, quickly take bath and come out. Now those who have this problem where mood swing is very fast, or there is cramp in their stomach, or person is really sick, there are some people who vomit also and all such stuffs, this is a must for them. For others no need, but this is a must. They should be practicing this Ashwini Mudra in water for 2 3 months. Only during period don't do this, otherwise you do it. So this exercise helps in seeing that your uterus, your fallopian tubes, they all are relaxed and exercised, and there won't be any tension over there. Mentally you are doing something, so automatically hormones start functioning better, and bring some joy in your life. Don't do anything new, but bringing joy is very much required. Go and watch some movie, go and cook something which you love to eat and eat. Don't overeat, but bringing joy. Read some jokes, laugh and crack some jokes with people around. All this is very much required. Trying to see that you sleep early. You see, you definitely need little bit more sleep than normal sleep. So during those times you should be sleeping at least half an hour before. And this is how you should know how to maintain this little balance in your system. Certain yoga asanas also work wonders, like lying down in Bhadrasana position. Whenever you get a chance to lie down, join your foot together and do namaste with your legs and lie down, or do Padmasana and lie down, or do Sukhasana and lie down. Move your legs a bit up and down on the side and lie down. These lying down exercises also work wonders. They really help in strengthening your internal organs, and by which all the problems are prevented. There should never be any pain and ache or any mood swings in woman. Woman has to work on this symptom, and this symptom will go away. We have to just work on ourselves and don't just suffer every month and feel helpless in life. Try, and you will definitely come out of this whole problem very soon.